If you're wondering what those letters stand for, it's Professional Limited Liability Company. Sounds fancy, right? Well, let's break it down together. Before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can always receive information designed to help your business succeed by saving time and money. The word professional in PLLC refers to licensed professionals like doctors, lawyers, architects, accountants, and many others. These are folks who have spent years honing their craft and expertise. Now, why would they need a PLLC, you ask? Let's get to the heart of it. A limited liability company, or LLC, is a popular business structure that combines the pass-through taxation of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. In essence, it offers the best of both worlds. But not every professional can form an LLC due to regulations surrounding licensed professions. Enter the PLLC. It offers similar benefits to an LLC, but is specifically tailored for licensed professionals. And here's a cool fact for you. According to data, about 2/3 of U.S. states allow the formation of PLLCs. Now, why would someone choose a PLLC? Two main reasons. First, asset protection. With a PLLC, personal assets of the members or owners are typically shielded from business debts and liabilities. That means if the business faces a lawsuit, the personal assets of its members are usually protected. Second, flexibility in taxation. PLLCs allow professionals to choose how they want to be taxed, whether as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. And on a side note, nearly 60% of PLLCs choose the pass-through taxation option, which means they only get taxed once at the personal income level. So remember, if you're a licensed professional looking to enjoy the benefits of limited liability and flexibility in taxation, a PLLC might be just the right choice for you. To set up a PLLC with ease, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think of PLLCs? Does having one seem advantageous to your plans for the future? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your business to maximum profitability.